Ducati Diavel 1260 Lamborghini presented. Welcome to the MOTORCYCLES.NEWS. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Ducati has worked in collaboration with Lamborghini on the limited Diavel 1260 Lamborghini. They were inspired by the SuperCar Sian FKP 37. The company was founded in 1963. 630 of the special Diavel are produced, and also the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 is limited, but to only 63 pieces. These are the reasons why the number 63 can be found on the Diavel. Each motorcycle has a model number engraved on an aluminum plate on the frame. Optionally, a matching jet helmet is also available, designed in the same colors, and also marked with the number 63. The Sian FKP 37 is Lamborghini's most prestigious car, according to the company. It is only available specifically on customer request. A masterpiece of exclusivity, design and innovation, it is said to be a reference point for the development of the Ducati Diavel 1260 Lamborghini. In creating a Diavel inspired by the Sian, we are celebrating the values we share with Lamborghini. We are Italian, we are sporty, and design is a distinctive element for our creations, says Andrea Ferraresi, director of the Centro Style Ducati. The Diavel 1260 Lamborghini was designed using the same stylistic language that distinguishes the super sports car, so we have redesigned the elements that most characterize the Diavel. For example, the rims, which are a fundamental component for a motorcycle like this, are forged and immediately bring the bike close to the car. The entire bodywork was made of carbon fiber, a precious and light material. The result is a bike with a great stage presence, a true collector's item from the point of view of style, and a 100% Diavel in riding. The most striking feature is the forged wheels, which are designed in the same design as the rims of the super sports car. All the details that the Centro Style Ducati designed especially for this project were made of carbon fiber. The silencer cover, the side air intakes, the seat cover, the fenders, the spoiler and the radiator covers are made of the noble and high-strength material. For the fairing, the Haya green paint was used. Frame and forged wheels are in electrum gold. These are the original colors of the Sian. The Brembo brake calipers are an exception, they were painted in Ducati red. The hexagon and the Y motif are important elements of Lamborghini. The headlights of the supercar were formed in this Y motif, and the hexagon is found in the rear lights. On the Diavel, the Y motif is found in the form of seams on the seat, and the hexagons were adopted for the exhaust end caps. The 1262cc Testastretta DVT with variable valve timing was adapted for Euro 5 and delivers 162 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 129 Nm at 7,500 revolutions per minute. The torque curve is very flat, which means there is plenty of power even at low revs. The electronic package includes cornering ABS Evo, traction control Evo, wheelie control Evo, power launch Evo and cruise control. The TFT screen has a special startup screen that displays the logos of the two brands involved, accompanied by the silhouette of the Diavel Lamborghini. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I would be happy about a thumbs up. You can find more and constantly updated news on the homepage motorcycles.news/en, or in the free motorcycles.news app for Android and iOS.